Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Commonwealth bank account online. This is a great option if you're looking for a quick and easy way to get started with your banking. What you'll need. Before you get started, there are a few things you'll need. A valid Australian driver's license or passport. A mobile phone number. An email address. A computer or smartphone with internet access. Step 1. Visit the Commonwealth Bank website. Go to the Commonwealth Bank website and click on the Open an Account button. Step 2. Choose your account type. You'll need to choose the type of account you want to open. There are a few different options to choose from, including Everyday Banking Account. This is a basic bank account that's suitable for everyday banking needs. Youth Saver Account. This account is designed for people aged 12 to 17. Smart Access Account. This account gives you access to a range of features, including online banking, mobile banking, and a debit card. Business Account. This account is designed for businesses. Step 3. Enter your personal details. You'll need to enter your personal details, such as your name, date of birth, and address. Step 4. Verify your identity. You'll need to verify your identity using one of the following methods. Driver's license or passport. You can upload a photo of your driver's license or passport. Mobile phone number. You can receive a verification code via SMS. Face ID or Touch ID. You can use Face ID or Touch ID to verify your identity if you have an iPhone or iPad. Step 5. Create your login details. You'll need to create a username and password for your online banking account. Step 6. Activate your account. You'll need to activate your account by clicking on the link in the activation email that you received. Step 7. Fund your account. You can fund your account by transferring money from another bank account or by using a debit or credit card. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to start using your Commonwealth Bank account online. Here are some of the things you can do with your Commonwealth Bank online account. Check your balance. View your transaction history. Transfer money between accounts. Pay bills. Set up automatic transfers. Apply for a loan. Open a term deposit. Opening a Commonwealth Bank account online is a quick and easy process. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your finances, I highly recommend giving it a try.